Imagine being offered two choices. The first promises excitement, fast profits, and stories you can brag about. The second is slow, predictable, and honestly a little boring. Most people choose the exciting option, but the world's wealthiest investors often choose the boring one. And that simple difference may explain why many people stay stuck financially while others quietly build fortunes worth millions. Because when it comes to investing, boring is often beautiful. The truth is that rich people don't focus on looking rich. They focus on becoming richer. And boring investments help them do exactly that. To understand why, we need to look at how wealth is actually built. Many people think wealth comes from finding the next big thing. They imagine discovering a hot stock before everyone else. They dream about turning a small investment into a fortune overnight. The media loves these stories. Social media loves these stories even more. A teenager becomes a crypto millionaire. A trader makes six figures in a week. A startup explodes in value. These stories spread everywhere because they're exciting. But what you rarely hear about are the millions of people who tried the same thing and lost money. The winners become headlines. The losers become invisible. This creates a dangerous illusion. It makes risky investing seem normal. But wealthy investors know something important. Wealth is not built by occasional lucky wins. It's built by consistent long-term gains. Consider one of the most successful investors in history. Warren Buffett became one of the richest people on earth, not by chasing every trend, but by making disciplined investments over decades. His strategy wasn't exciting. In fact, many people found it incredibly boring. Yet it created extraordinary wealth. This reveals a principle that rich people understand. The biggest financial advantage isn't intelligence. It isn't luck. It's time. Time allows money to grow. Time allows compound interest to work. Time turns small gains into enormous fortunes. Imagine investing $100. If it doubles once, you have $200. If it doubles again, you have $400, then $800, then $1,600. The growth starts slowly, but eventually it becomes explosive. This is the power of compounding. And compounding works best when investments are left alone for long periods. That's why wealthy investors often avoid constant trading. Every trade creates opportunities for mistakes. Every emotional decision can damage long-term returns. Instead, many rich investors buy quality assets and hold them. Not for weeks, not for months, but for years, sometimes decades. To outsiders, this seems boring. To insiders, it's incredibly powerful. Think about a tree. You don't plant a seed and dig it up every week to check its roots. You let it grow. Investments work the same way. Constant interference often causes more harm than good. Yet many people struggle with this idea. Human psychology loves action. Doing something feels productive. Waiting feels uncomfortable. That's why investors frequently buy high and sell low. When markets rise, excitement increases. People rush in. When markets fall, fear takes over. People rush out. Unfortunately, this behavior often produces poor results. Rich investors understand that emotions can be expensive, so they build systems that reduce emotional decisions. One popular example is index fund investing. An index fund simply tracks a large group of companies. Instead of trying to predict which company will win, investors own small pieces of many companies. There's nothing glamorous about this approach. No dramatic predictions. No exciting headlines. Just steady participation in economic growth. Yet over long periods, this strategy has created enormous wealth for millions of investors. The reason is simple. Predicting individual winners is difficult. Owning a broad collection of businesses increases the chances of benefiting from overall growth. Rich people often prefer probability over prediction. They don't need to be right every time. They simply need the odds to work in their favor. Another reason wealthy people prefer boring investments is risk management. Most people focus on returns. Rich people focus on survival. Because losing money hurts more than missing opportunities. Imagine two investors. One earns 50% in a great year but loses 60% in a bad year. The other earns 10% consistently. The first investor looks impressive. The second investor looks ordinary. But over time, the steady investor often wins. Consistency is underrated. Large losses are difficult to recover from. If you lose 50% of your money, you need a 100% gain just to break even. That's why preserving capital is so important. Wealthy investors understand this math deeply. Their goal is not maximum excitement. Their goal is maximum long-term growth. And those are not always the same thing. Real estate provides another example. Many rich individuals invest in rental properties. Collecting rent every month is not exciting. Maintaining buildings is not exciting. Reviewing financial statements is not exciting. But the combination of cash flow, appreciation, and leverage can create substantial wealth over time. Again, the process is often boring. The results can be extraordinary. This pattern appears across many industries. Successful businesses are rarely built on constant excitement. They are built on repetition, consistency, discipline, systems. The same principles apply to investing. Boring investments often succeed because they encourage good behavior, and behavior matters more than most people realize. Studies repeatedly show that investor returns are often lower than investment returns. How is that possible? Because investors frequently make poor decisions. They panic during downturns. They chase trends during booms. They move money at exactly the wrong times. The investment may perform well. The investor may not. Boring investments reduce these mistakes. They create fewer temptations. They encourage patience. And patience is one of the most valuable financial skills in the world. There is also a status factor involved. Many people want investments that make them look smart. They want exciting stories to tell friends. They want to feel like insiders. But rich investors often care less about appearances. They care about results. A portfolio that quietly grows for 30 years may not impress people at parties, but it can transform a family's future. And that's what truly matters. The irony is that boring investments often become exciting later, not because the investments change, because the numbers become large. A small account growing steadily seems unremarkable. A multi-million-dollar portfolio, created by decades of compounding, becomes very exciting indeed. Yet the process remained the same throughout. Patience, consistency, discipline. These qualities don't generate viral headlines, but they generate wealth. Another important lesson is that wealthy people think differently about speed. Most people dramatically overestimate what they can achieve in 1 year and underestimate what they can achieve in 20 years. This leads to frustration. People want immediate results. When wealth doesn't appear quickly, they abandon good strategies. Rich investors understand that financial success often takes longer than expected, so they stay committed. They allow time to do its work. The stock market, real estate market, and business world all reward patience more often than people realize. The challenge is that patience feels boring, and boredom is difficult in a world filled with constant stimulation. Every day brings new predictions, new opportunities, new trends, new fears. But wealthy investors learn to ignore much of the noise. They focus on fundamentals. They focus on long-term value. They focus on what they can control. This mindset creates a powerful advantage, because while others chase excitement, disciplined investors quietly accumulate assets, year after year, decade after decade, until one day the results become impossible to ignore. So why do rich people love boring investments? Because boring investments often produce predictable outcomes, because they reduce emotional mistakes, because they allow compounding to work, because they prioritize survival over speculation, because they focus on probability rather than prediction, and because wealth is usually built through discipline, not drama. The next time you see a headline promising fast riches, remember this: the most powerful investment strategy may not be the most exciting one. It may be the one that feels almost boring, the strategy that doesn't generate daily excitement, the strategy that doesn't require constant attention, the strategy that quietly grows while everyone else is chasing the next big thing. Because in the world of investing, excitement often grabs attention, but boring often builds wealth. And that simple truth has helped countless wealthy people grow richer year after year, while the rest of the world keeps searching for shortcuts that rarely work. The rich understand something many people never learn. The road to wealth is usually not flashy. It's usually not dramatic, and it's almost never overnight. More often than not, it's slow. It's steady. It's boring. And that's exactly why it works. You enjoyed this video? Make sure to subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos about wealth, investing, and financial success. And remember, the goal isn't to get rich quickly. The goal is to build wealth that lasts. Because the people who win financially are rarely the ones chasing excitement. They're the ones staying consistent while everyone else gets distracted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.